Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blocked account on Instagram. To know how to fix or how to solve blocked account on Instagram, you should just go to settings as you see, and you can click. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on Instagram and you will enter here. After that you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can go to clear cache. Here you can go, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.